guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my spring makeup tutorial 2023. So I do this every year on my channel. I always do a spring makeup tutorial. It's all drugstore as well today. It's going to be a super quick, super easy and simple spring makeup tutorial for you to recreate. It's all very pinky. I like to be very pinky and glowy, and I just think of flowers at springtime, so I instantly think of pink things. So yeah, it's very pink, very drugstore, very glowy. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to start by priming my face using the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer on my Real Techniques stippling brush. Now for foundation today, I'm going to go in with this very hydrating, and it's also quite full coverage foundation. This is the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Foundation, and mine is in the shade F1. I'm not going to go in too heavy with this foundation. I'm not going to do a super thick layer, but I do want the hydration side of it. So I'm going to be using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Foundation Brush to apply it. So next up, I'm going to use the same concealer to match the foundation. So it's the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Concealer in the shade C1. And I'm going to blend that in with my Real Techniques contour brush. And then for powder, I'm using my Colourpop Pretty Fresh Pressed Face Powder in the shade Fair 2, using my Morphe G35 brush to set my eye area first. Then I'm using my Morphe E2 brush to set the rest of my face. Now for bronzer, I'm going to be using this huge Colourpop matte bronzer in the shade Avila Beach. Huge. And I'm going to take my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Powder Brush to apply it. Then for blush, I'm going in with a super pink, very pink, Barbie type pink blush. So this is the Natural Collection Powder Blusher in the shade Pink Cloud. And I'm going to take my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Blush Brush to apply this. Now for highlighter, I'm using the Essence Pure Nude highlighter in the shade Be My Highlight, using my Sigma Tapered Highlighter F35 brush. Now I'm going to zoom you in to do my eyes. Now for my eyes today, I'm using the Colourpop That's Taupe eyeshadow palette and an eyeshadow single by Colourpop. So in this palette, I am going to be using this shade first on the corner, using my Morphe R37 brush through the crease. Now I'm going to go in with this darker, like pinky, purpley type shade on the end here. I'm going to pop that on my outer corners using my Morphe M412 brush. Then I'm going to take this Sigma Tapered Blend in E40 brush just to clean up the harsh lines. There's no product on this brush, I'm just cleaning up the edges. Now I'm going to take those two colours on my lower lash line using my Morphe E18 brush. And now I'm going in with the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Frog, which is going to go all over the lid using my little finger. Now for my eyebrows, I'm using the Colourpop Brow Boss Gel in the shade Clear. Then for eyeliner, I'm using the NYX Slide On Glide On eyeliner in the shade Brown Perfection. And then I'm just going to quickly set my face using the Colourpop No Filter Setting Mist. And then I'm going to curl my lashes using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers, and I'm going in with the Maybelline Lash Sensational Very Black Mascara. And finally for the lips, I'm going in with a really pink, sparkly, glossy type lip. So I'm going in with the e.l.f. Retro Paradise Dream On Lip Gloss in the shade Strawberry Daiquiri. So yeah, that completes this video. This was my spring makeup tutorial 2023. Very pink, very sparkly, hydrating, super easy to do, and all drugstore products as well. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!